Victor Taichung, a world-leading manufacturer of CNC turning centres, lathes and machining centres. Here today I'm in front of a V-Turn A26Y, which is one of the most recent models to be added to the range. This machine actually has a Y-axis which has got plus or minus 70mm. It's a 10-inch chuck as standard with 75mm bar capacity. So often you'll find a 10-inch chuck machine will have 65mm bar. This actually goes the extra mile with 75mm, so you can get bigger bar in it. The machine, different to a lot as well, is box guideway throughout. So all axes, the X, Z and the Y. So we've got your axes here, which are box guideway in all directions. Fully programmable tailstock, which is actually pulled along by the Z axis. So you can move the tailstock obviously from the back to the front of the machine to support your component. We have 850mm in the Z axis, but you can go for an option of going for a 1300mm between centres machine. This turret is a BMT turret. It's 12 stations, but also quite commonly these days this has got a 24-point indexing as well, so you can actually have 24 tools. And then as we move down the machine, we've got a very handy swarf extraction system. Again, it's very, very accessible and can clear swarf, and obviously you can change. You can have a slat type conveyor. You can have, depending on the types of materials that you're machining. Tool setting arm here, so you can automatically set your tools on the turret and that'll be fed back to the program. And then for production, you've got your parts catcher, so we can catch a part from the chuck and we can then dispatch it into the parts box here. And then we're out on a parts conveyor. So if you've got production components, you can be quickly getting them off the machine. Onto the control, we're now operating with a FANUC Series OI-T control. So probably the most common control to be used on turning centres these days is the FANUC, as we all know, and that comes as standard with the Victor machines. It's a big machine. It's heavy duty, it's got a wrap-round spindle motor, so there's no belts, so it's a direct drive spindle. Victor sell this machine, sell the benefits of this machine on the power, the performance and the rigidity. And when you get a Victor user, it's very, very unusual to see them opt for another machine after they've bought a Victor. As I say, its resounding features are that if you're looking for extreme surface finishes or lots of accuracy on difficult materials, then a Victor CNC lathe with its weight, its construction, is capable of producing quality components every time. So if you're looking for a CNC lathe and you're looking for extra axes or Y axes, consider the A26Y from Victor CNC.